Here I have Xiaomi 12S Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Here you have you can change resolution of your recording, you can change its video quality, you can change screen orientation, you can select sound source. Let's set it to be microphone. You can set up fixed frame rate, you can select here, or you can just disable it and set automatic frame rate. You can lock screen to end recording. You can show touch gestures on the screen. You can show button taps. And that's all the settings. So in order to start recording, you just tap on this button once. And after that, this kind of menu pops up. From here you can access Screen Recorder folder in Gallery. From here you can also access these settings, which I showed you before. So to start recording, you just tap on this red button once, and after that recording starts. So let's record some content from our screen. So when you're done recording, you just tap on this red button once again, and recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, screenshots and screen recordings, and here is our recording. And after that recording starts, so let's record some content from our screen. And from here you can send, edit, favorite, delete, or perform any other action from this list with your recording. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.